Thoughtful creations, transforming lives. A name synonymous with innovation leadership, Welspun. Welspun City Anjar symbolizes an inspiring transformation, where an earthquake-ravaged region rose to become a self-sustaining ecosystem with the world's largest home textile facility, supported by Welspun's mother plant at Vapi. Inside these vertically integrated premises is where the magic unfolds. From cotton warehouse to spinning, with one of the largest modern spinning plants, having high automation, traceability, material handling, packing and storage system. Weaving, having high-speed looms with Dobby and jacquards. Processing plant integrated with dyeing. Printing, including rotary and digital. Finishing, cut and sew with fully automatic stitching, as well as hanger transport system. Packaging, after passing through metal detectors. And fully equipped testing labs accredited by NABL. We have an integrated setup for fashion and utility bedding products with an in-house non-woven plant for making wadding. We also have a complete solution for tufted rugs and carpets. Our facilities adhere to the highest quality standards and compliance norms. While proximity to cotton-growing regions and our on-site vendor ancillary park helps us with faster customer serviceability, our well-connected plants seamlessly link us to the global supply chains. We also have in-house capability to make high-performance non-wovens, as well as health and hygiene products. And with our new flooring solutions plant in Telangana, we are now disrupting the world of flooring too. However, our greatest asset is our committed team of Welspunites. With Welspun Colony, we provide them with all the modern amenities for comfortable living, while our skill development centers focus on their continuous learning and upgradation. Even in the tough COVID times, we swiftly resumed operations, ensuring safety, health and well-being with our audited Welspun Penta protocols. Our manufacturing plants score high on the environment indices too. 100% of our water needs in Anjar are met through recycled wastewater. We are also moving from linear to circular systems and supporting local women to make beautiful handcrafted products from factory remnants. As agents of change, we believe in transforming the lives of our communities, where villages are becoming model villages, where women rise empowered, and where children have a brighter future. Yes, from these lands, we continue to weave magic in millions of homes around the world. Welspun.